If you've been browsing online for stylish hoodies and stumbled upon kogtour.com, you've probably been tempted by their flashy banners shouting about limited edition hoodies, big markdowns, and lines like 75% off today only or low stock to push you into a quick decision. But the real question is this store truly a hidden gem or just another online trap? At first glance, the site looks like a dream for hoodie lovers with trendy designs and the promise that once something sells out, it will never be restocked, creating that sense of urgency we all know too well. But when we looked closer, things didn't add up. Their terms of service actually carry a date that predates the creation of the website, which is a strange and suspicious detail you don't usually see with real businesses. Their marketing tactics lean heavily on fake urgency, with repetitive, limited edition, and today-only claims plastered across the site, making it clear they want customers to act fast without thinking twice. Another concern is that many of their product images are not original but instead appear to be stolen from other online platforms, raising doubts about whether the items even exist in their inventory. Beyond that, the lack of proper customer support is a huge red flag. There's no phone number, no live chat, no physical address, just a single email that leaves buyers with little accountability if something goes wrong. Digging further, kogtour.com has absolutely no social media presence, which is unusual for any brand that supposedly sells trendy limited edition fashion pieces. Most real stores use Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to showcase products and build trust. As for reviews, while their own site shows glowing feedback, the wording is repetitive, vague, and generic, suggesting they're fake. And when you check trusted review platforms like Trustpilot or communities like Reddit, you'll find absolutely nothing from real customers. All of this combined paints a picture that's neither entirely positive nor outright condemning, but it definitely raises serious doubts. kogtour.com might look tempting with its low prices and exclusivity claims, but with so many inconsistencies and unanswered questions, it's a site that should make you think twice before pulling out your credit card.